So one of my followers said that she wanted to know how to fold pants. So first we are going to look at jeans. So this is what you do. You spread it on the table, you take one leg, put it on top of the other, and if you're going to hang the jeans, then it's so simple. You just take a hanger and put the jeans through it and you hang it like this. Always make sure that this part which protrudes out does not come on the outer side. Like when you put it in the wardrobe, it goes like this and all the pants you can see straight lines. It looks more tidy. If you're not hanging it, also one more thing, if your hanger shelf is not very tall, it doesn't have much height, you can give jeans a fold like this and then hang it like this. Once again, this part goes inside. From outside you see only straight lines. And in case you are not hanging it, you are filing it one on the other, there is a little adjustment that you do. You make your first fold and then you make one more fold inside like this, so that this portion which is popping out will go inside, and then one fold, and I only make one more fold in case of denims, because otherwise it's like a ball and it keeps opening up. So this is how you can fold the jeans, pile it one on top of the other.